It's all here. Well, this is just for me to show you how exactly the system that I set up works on the WordPress content management system. Normally, what I do is I open up two windows. One is for the admin side, and the other one is for the where I can actually see the changes take effect. So, in order to get to the page that I want to change, it's the same link that I sent you. It's lpeterson/profit. And then in order to see the admin side of the page, I go to earlpeterson.co.za /profit /WP hyphen admin. This then opens up this page where I set the credentials to the password is Sean Profit 001, and the username is Sean. I'll just type that in there so you can actually see the password. Okay. Once you're inside the WordPress admin page, you can go to Pages, and then over here could be a list of the newsletter archives, as I've mentioned. But for now, we only have the one that I worked on, and it's called Profit-August 2015. So what I've done here is set up a complete, it's called, the plugin is called Site Origin Page Builder. And for example, to change the header, you could go to Site Origin Edit, Site Origin Image. And that's the header right there, which you could change to anything, you know, a new header or whatever else you want it to be. The same goes for the content. If I want to, for example, take this text here and I wanted to make it blue, or I wanted to replace the text or make it bold, or make any other change to it. That's over here. I say edit. Visual. I select the text I want to edit, and I can just change the color of the font there. I say done, I update the page, and the changes take effect immediately. All I have to do then is go back to the page that I'm viewing it on, and you'll see the changes take effect once the page is refreshed. It's as simple as that. The same goes for changing images. If I wanted to change this image, I say supposed to give me an option where I can okay, so I want to add a new image. Say add media. I select the image, and there it is. Then I can go and edit this image. I can change it into a thumbnail, or if I want the full size, I can also go here and I can replace the image by selecting another image in my media library. I say update, left align, done, update. And then as soon as I refresh the page, you'll see the new image is added in at the bottom over there. It's as simple as that. And I think this makes it a lot easier than having to edit it in Dreamweaver. And as I mentioned, you know, the bulk of the work has already been done. It's just a matter of changing images and editing content in future. So if I just take out that image there, change that black to the normal color, back to the normal color, say done, update, and I refresh the page that I'm viewing. Now this is built on Site Origin Site Builder, but in addition to this, I can still add I can add CSS styling to that specific block, which is how I got the white border around it. Also, if I really wanted to, you could even still build it in tables. And what you just do then is you can go to Dreamweaver. You can place your code there, because Dreamweaver gives you the option of, it has the predictive text. So if I want to add a style to a paragraph, it's as simple as that. I copy the text here, and I move over to my visual editor, and I say text HTML, and I can paste the text there, and I can edit it that way too. So this increases your options of editing. It increases the time. It decreases the time used to create the changes, and it's a lot simpler, and the changes take effect immediately. So I hope that explains what I've done, and please feel free to ask if you want to know anything more.